channel, and today in this video I'm going to share with you and to show you how I made my manual making of cappuccino at home without using any of the coffee shop materials like espresso machine and the coffee mug. Without them all, without the machine to make the bubbles up in the cappuccino, the one you put with the battery, without that all. So today I'm gonna show you using the microwave, using the espresso machine, then I can create. This is how I made manually. As you can see, I mix it together, the coffee and the sugar, just because you didn't need to deform the design whatever you did top of your cappuccino or latte. If you have a art above on it, then you don't need to destroy the art. If you have visitor, you can serve it with presentation at least. You can try at home the combination of whipping cream, a liquid one, and fresh milk or just long life milk. You can combine it together when you're doing a cappuccino or latte. Promise, it's really creamy taste, and it's even without the sugar you can taste it. So delicious for me because I like cream. I like whipping cream. I'm gonna show you how I pour the milk. Guys, after you pour the milk, you should drop a little bit the frothing mug just to sink down the small bubbles or the tiny bubbles. And when you pour the milk into the coffee, you have to make it round and round just to mix it inside from the down of your coffee and milk. You don't need to stir it, so it's already mixed by your mixing. And this is it, the second cup of cappuccino I made for my friend, without any design, but at least the taste is really amazing. It's creamy and it's like addictive taste if you. And so that's all for today, guys, and thank you for watching my small tutorial.